thank you so much for joining us today in this incredibly important conversation, Impact through Indigenous Participation, Beyond Representation to Agency. This is an all-Indigenous panel today, a panel with creatives, storytellers, and activists, demarcating their territory here in the global stage at Sheffield Dogfest, so incredibly exciting. My name is Carolina Oliveira. I am a filmmaker, I'm an impact producer, and a researcher at Bournemouth University. And as a Brazilian woman with Indigenous ancestry, I feel deeply honored to be moderating this panel today. The voices you hear from today have long been shaping, resisting, and reimagining the ways we tell stories. Indigenous storytelling is at the very heart of Indigenous life and of Indigenous culture. For generations, stories have been passed down as teaching, warnings, and collective memories. And today, more than ever, filmmaking has become yet another tool in the Indigenous arsenal. But the Indigenous lens is not passive, it is a shield, it is a seed, it is a call to action and a call to remember. Through their lenses, we're invited not only to witness, but reimagine cinema as a space for dialogue, self-determination, and deep cultural continuity. But beyond visibility lies something deeper, which is agency. True impact does not come from being seen alone. It comes from being truly heard, from having the space to own and author own stories, and also distribute own stories as well. And this panel today explores what happens when Indigenous participation moves from subject to co-creator, from consultation to authorship, from extraction to reciprocity. So, in the most wonderfully decolonial manner, this panel will be predominantly in Portuguese, and we'll have translations to English. We will have some time towards the end of the panel for Q&As, so if you do have a question, just raise your hand and we'll make sure to get to you. Or if you wish not to be seen or heard today, you can just scan the QR code and send your questions via Slido for us. So, without further ado, I'm going to ask our fantastic panelists to introduce themselves in their own term, in their own truth, in their own manner. So, Abdel, if I can come to you first, if you could please talk a little bit about yourself and the wonderful work you do at the People's Planet Project.
Thank you all for being here. Thanks for having me. My name is Abdel Mondili. I'm a documentary filmmaker from the Amazigh Indigenous peoples, living in the Atlas Mountains in the southern part of Morocco. And I am a founder of People's Planet Project. I joined a local film crew actually in Indonesia in 2017, where I learned the craft of filmmaking, but also got to be introduced to amazing indigenous leaders in Indonesia, working with local filmmakers to cover these stories, very touching stories about displacement, indigenous communities losing their forest territories due to palm oil monoculture. And we have been covering these stories, and when I came back to Amsterdam, where I'm based at, I stayed in touch with the communities that I've worked with through the local filmmakers that became very good friends of mine. And every time I reach out, I hear stories of new concessions happening, communities left with no tools to resist these operations. And I started to ask myself the question, what is the essence of making these films, telling these stories, if the communities that are facing these problems every day are left with the same problems over and over? And that's why we ask the fundamental question, how can we as creatives, as filmmakers, help you to do something about this situation? And they told us we need your skills and tools, because when no one is around, that's when the conflict is at its highest. And we need your tool to document what is happening there. So we did a very short pilot workshop, and it was well received. The communities gained a lot of confidence. We left the equipment as well there, so they could tell their stories from their own perspective. And then we try to broaden our scope and do some consultation around different regions of the world. And we saw that, for instance, in Latin America, indigenous communities are experimenting with mapping technology. And we thought, well, let's create a collective that is combining the visual aspect of filmmaking and the hard data of spatial imagery to showcase what is happening in these territories and document firsthand the evidence of destruction, and use this as an advocacy tool. So we are now a collective of local filmmakers, geospatial analysts that work in the majority of the biodiversity hotspots in Papua New Guinea and in Indonesia, and in Latin America and Brazil, and in the Peruvian Amazon. And we are also extending to the Congo Basin as well. And our idea is to, or our work is to train indigenous communities in film tools and mapping tools, connect them with environmental lawyers so that they can collate very important stories around displacement, around environmental law violations, to hold these bigger industries accountable and prove their historical connection to their land in order to gain land titles for them to actually be able to fend off these deforesting industries. So that's in a nutshell what People's Plan Project is about and how my journey as an Amazigh indigenous people will evolve in this as well.
That's amazing. And what's really interesting about what you said is the idea of the collectives that have been formed off the back of the work that you do. And that segues me really nicely to Elena. And Elena, please would you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about the work you do within the Catahirini network of indigenous women filmmaker in Brazil. Então, Helena, se você pudesse falar um pouquinho sobre você e também sobre a Rede Catahirini, o que é, como é que surgiu.
Olá, primeiro agradecer, é um momento super importante para a gente participar dessa primeira mesa em 25 anos do festival, é a primeira mesa indígena que acontece, então isso é muito significativo e para mim, enquanto rede, isso é muito importante.
Thank you very much for being here. It's really important to be present at this moment. It's a historical moment. This is the first panel made of indigenous representatives and activists and producers and artists in 25 years of DocFest. Yeah.
Social, sou uma das conselheiras da Articulação de Jornalistas Indígenas do Brasil. Eu também atuo, sou jornalista na Operação Amazônia Nativa e também tenho esse trabalho super importante como coordenadora na Rede Catahirini.
So, just to introduce myself a little bit, I'm a journalist, social anthropologist, and also counselor in the journalism
na Brijó, Articulação de Jornalistas Indígenas
Articulation of Indigenous Journalists of Brazil.
Jornalista na UPAN, Operação Amazônia Nativa.
Also journalist at the Native Amazon Operation.
E também sou uma das coordenadoras da Rede Catahirini.
And one of the coordinators of the Rede Catahirini.
E a Rede Catahirini nasceu em 2022 e no ano de 2023 a gente conseguiu lançar o nosso site. Hoje nós temos 85 cineastas indígenas no Brasil e essa rede vem fazendo uma transformação no cinema indígena brasileiro.
Catahirini Network was created in September 2022 and now there are 85 filmmakers, producers and screenwriters who represent indigenous women from all over Brazil.
Nós estamos em quase todos os biomas, só existe um bioma que não tem cineastas indígenas no Brasil e a gente tem atuado principalmente em 4 eixos, no fortalecimento das cineastas, na formação e estímulo, na formação de público e também na incidência política.
So there are, the network represents almost all biomes in Brazil except one, and there are 4 major lines of work, and the first one, a primeira. Repete, qual é a primeira? A primeira.
Dos 4 eixos,
ok. Incidência política.
Political incidents,
formação de público,
creation of audience,
estímulo à produção
incentivizing, promoting production,
e apoio também às próprias cineastas.
and support to the women filmmakers.
E nesse ano a gente teve a felicidade de realizar o primeiro prêmio da Rede Catahirini.
This year they had the opportunity to create the first award of the Catahirini Network.
A gente costuma falar que nós somos uma aldeia em círculo e uma sempre olhando para a outra.
We always say that we are like a village in a big circle, but we are always looking at each other.
E nesses nossos encontros e reuniões,
And in our meetings and gatherings,
uma das demandas que foram levantadas para a gente,
one of the requests that were put to us,
muitas não tinham equipamentos
many women had no equipment,
e gostariam de se formar, de formação.
and they would like to know how to do cinema. They would like to be trained in the use of the equipment.
E assim nasceu o prêmio da Rede Catahirini.
And that's how the award Rede Catahirini was formed, was created.
Mas a gente pensou em fazer da forma que todas pudessem ter acesso.
But what we wanted was to do it in such a way that everybody could have access to that.
Então a gente fez um formulário de inscrição
So we created a registration form
onde elas poderiam se inscrever por áudio, vídeo, um formulário
where
inteiro.
they could send an audio, they could send a video, they could write, and this way they would be putting themselves forward for the award.
E a gente chegou ao número de 12 pessoas
Then they got to 12 people registered.
que foram selecionadas com seus projetos.
They were selected, not registered, they were selected with their projects.
E essas selecionadas participaram de formações
They took part in trainings,
e elas estão com projetos audiovisuais prontos.
and they have completed their audiovisual projects.
E uma foi a grande vencedora que a gente anunciou nesse mês.
And there was a big winner who was just announced this month.
E ela vai receber um prêmio de R$25.000 para compra de equipamento.
So she will get the award is funding to buy equipment of 25,000 reais.
Isso é transformador para quem está no território.
This is transformative for women, people who are in the territories.
A gente tem cineastas em diferentes idades, de diferentes biomas,
There are filmmakers of different ages, from different biomes,
mulheres que antes nunca tinham nem saído do seu território, não conheciam a cidade.
women that sometimes have never left their territories, never been to a big city.
E a gente está realizando sonhos, como a da minha amiga Bárbara, por exemplo,
So we are making dreams possible, like my friend Barbara, for example,
que sonhava em conhecer Paris
who always dreamed of visiting Paris.
e teve a oportunidade, eu e ela, de trazer os nossos filmes e passar as últimas 2 semanas em exibições dos nossos filmes.
So they had this great opportunity to come to Paris and bring their films and spent 2 weeks there showing the films and getting to know a lot of culture.
Então a Rede Catahirini tem sido transformadora na minha vida e de tantas mulheres cineastas no Brasil.
And this is how the Rede Catahirini has been really transformative, not only for my life, but the lives of many other indigenous women in Brazil.
So speaking of internationalization, as you just said, internationalization of the work, Juma, if we may come to you and ask you to introduce yourself in your own terms and also tell us a little bit about your own journey now into cinema, into making films. Então, Juma, se a gente falando de internacionalização dos trabalhos, se a gente pudesse pedir para você te apresentar nas suas próprias palavras, nos seus próprios termos, e também falar um pouquinho dessa sua jornada até o cinema aqui com Yanuni, né?
Obrigada.
Thank you.
Eu sou Juma.
My name is Juma.
Antes de qualquer coisa, eu sou mãe, sou esposa,
Before anything else,
sou cacica
I'm a
da
mother,
minha aldeia Carimã.
I'm a wife
Eu falo cacique porque geralmente as pessoas falam cacique.
of my village.
E
And,
eu me sinto
she's-
mais confortável como cacica.
She's using the feminine form of the noun in Brazil, cacica.
Até 3 meses atrás eu estava como secretária nacional de articulação e promoção dos direitos indígenas no Ministério dos Povos Indígenas.
Until 3 months ago, I was the Secretary of Promotion and Mobilization of to promote and defend indigenous rights as part of the Indigenous Ministry of Brazil.
E agora, dando continuidade nessa luta, como cacica, como produtora do filme Anuni, e retomando todas as atividades novamente do movimento de base.
So now I'm continuing my fight as chief and as producer, working with the film Yanoni, and also going back to all the activities to promote, to defend the rights of my people.
Para mim é agradecer esse momento, muito importante.
This is a very important moment and I am very grateful for this.
Que aqui também nós estamos demarcando esse território como nosso, do cinema, que também temos todo o direito de estarmos aqui.
We are, in this very moment, making the demarcation of our territory in cinema, because we have all the rights to be here.
E agradecer as pessoas que lutaram e que tiveram essa iniciativa e a vocês também de estar aqui nos escutando, por essa grande oportunidade.
And I would like to thank everybody who fought to be here, to promote, to realize this initiative, and also to thank you to all of you who are here listening to us.
Porque o cinema também é uma grande forma de lutar, de ecoar vozes, de ir para além do nosso território.
Because cinema is also a great way of fighting, of spreading the voice, of go beyond our territories.
Num tempo não muito distante, a gente estava no território lutando com os nossos arcos, com a nossa flecha, sobretudo com a nossa coragem.
Not too long ago, we were fighting in our territories using our bows and arrows, using our courage to fight.
E o meu primeiro contato com uma câmera,
And
eu estava na adolescência ainda, entre 18 e 19.
I was still a teenager when I first had my first contact with a camera. I was between 18, 19 years old.
Eu entendi que seria uma arma também, uma ferramenta para potencializar a nossa luta. É uma forma de se comunicar com vocês.
And I understood that the camera was also a tool, was an instrument, and also a weapon. It was a way of communicating, of reaching you.
O Andrea Benedetti, o italiano, que me apresentou o cinema.
Andrea Benedetti is an Italian man who introduced me to cinema.
Na época ele estava na minha região, fazendo cobertura de imagem em relação à terceira maior hidrelétrica do mundo, Belo Monte.
At the time, he was in my region covering the construction of the third largest hydroelectric dam in the world, Belo Monte.
E através da lente dele pôde testemunhar muitos retrocessos, muitos impactos.
And through his lens, we could witness all the impact that this was having and all the steps backwards that were happening with this hydroelectric.
E ali eu despertei o interesse, como isso pode ajudar o nosso território, como que isso pode mostrar para o mundo o que está acontecendo e a nossa realidade para que as pessoas também possam fazer alguma coisa.
And I started thinking how this could help, so that we could show everybody what was happening there. We could show the world, we could show everybody what was happening, so that something could be done to change.
Eu não posso deixar de esquecer que as minhas maiores inspirações foram o trabalho, inclusive dessas mulheres indígenas guerreiras que eu admiro muito e que estão aqui.
I can't not say that a work that inspired me all the time was the work of all those indigenous women warriors who are here today.
Eu pesquisei Instituto Catitu,
She looked at Katitu Institute,
vídeo nas aldeias.
Videos in the villages.
Eu vi que tinha já pessoas fazendo.
So I could see that there were people already doing this.
Eu entendi, eu falei, é isso, é exatamente isso que a gente precisa aqui.
Then I realized that this is exactly what we need here.
E o André tinha a câmera na mão e tinha um conhecimento.
And Andrea had the camera and the knowledge.
E queria realmente poder contribuir com o território.
And he really wanted to contribute to the fight of the territory.
Então, em conjuntos, nós pegamos uma proposta de projeto que era de Belo Monte, que não atendia as nossas necessidades.
And then together we looked at a proposal that was related to Belo Monte that did not really meet our needs.
E transformamos em algo maior para o território, que foi a primeira formação de audiovisual e técnica de filmagem dentro do território e com as pessoas que as comunidades escolheram.
So we transformed this project into an initiative to train filmmakers and producers in the territory, and that was the first time that this happened.
Então esse foi o meu primeiro contato e eu tive pessoas que me inspiraram, pessoas que sonharam antes de mim e que os meus sonhos se conectaram com o delas e se tornaram real.
And that was the first time that I had contact with this kind of work, with cinema, with camera, and I was inspired by the dreams I had and the dreams of so many women who worked before me and made this possible and started this path.
E agora, enfim, é muita coisa, mas tem a tradução e eu quero muito poder também que a gente tenha um diálogo. Então, tem muita coisa que eu gostaria, mas eu convido vocês a gente continuar esse diálogo e eu vou resumir agora a minha fala final.
I would like to talk much longer. There is a lot to say, and I would like to say much more. But of course, I also want to continue the dialogue, and I'll just say a few words so that we can.
E eu fecho com uma das minhas maiores experiências agora, que é algo que.
To close my introduction, I would like to retell one of my more intense experiences,
Que é Yanuni.
which is Yanuni.
Não sei se algum de vocês tiveram a oportunidade de assistir.
I don't know if you've already had the opportunity to watch this film.
Obrigada. Yanuni, eu não estou somente como personagem principal,
I'm not only the main character in this story.
mas como produtora também.
I am a producer as well.
E algumas pessoas têm dificuldade de reconhecer.
And for some people it's difficult to understand, to recognize, to acknowledge
O nosso papel enquanto mulher, independente da nossa etnia,
our
independente
role
do país.
as women, independent of our ethnicity, our origin, which country we come from.
E às vezes só pensa a Juma personagem.
So usually they only see Juma as a character,
Mas também produtora.
but I'm also a producer.
E isso, uma das perguntas que me fizeram foi como foi ser produtora? Ou então uma outra preocupação que se tinha antes. Será como que o público vai entender isso? Você como produtora, será que vai ser legal?
So
Por que
I
não?
used to hear the question, how does it feel to be a producer? Do you think people will understand what it is to be a producer of this film? And I wondered, why not?
Nós temos o poder, nós temos total condição, enquanto indígena, enquanto mulheres, de produzir e de fazer também.
We have the power, we have all the conditions as women, as indigenous, to also produce, to also make something.
Muitas das vezes o que nos falta é oportunidade.
Most times what we don't have is opportunity.
E principalmente, tá? Não somente enquanto uma jovem líder, mas enquanto mãe, mas sobretudo enquanto mulher.
And more importantly, not only as a young chief, as a young leader, as a woman, as a mother,
Eu vejo que a diferença que eu sinto no território, que eu sinto no Brasil,
I feel that there is a difference in Brazil, within my territory,
com relação ao reconhecimento do trabalho da mulher,
related to how women work is acknowledged,
da valorização, do
how
respeito.
it's valued, how it's respected,
E está em tudo, em qualquer parte,
and this is everywhere,
inclusive no cinema também.
including in cinema.
Então é para além de marcar um território,
So we have to go beyond demarcation of territories.
é de estar como realmente eu sou,
I have to be what I really am,
e que muitos de nós deveríamos estar,
and that's how most of us,
mas
many
muitas
of
das
us,
vezes é negado.
but most times we are denied this.
E obrigado, agradeço muito o Richard Ladicani e toda a equipe,
Thank you to Richard and to all my team,
porque nesse projeto eu nunca me senti negada.
because in this project I've never felt denied. I never felt space was denied to me.
Não teve um roteiro para me ler.
There was no script for me to read.
Eu só tive que acreditar e confiar e deixar o Richard acompanhar, testemunhar.
I only had to trust and be myself and let Richard follow me.
E assim nós temos Yanuni.
And that's how we got to Unity.
Então foi romper também uma barreira, uma grande bolha para mim dessa dificuldade, e do cinema foi enfrentar muitos desafios pessoais também.
So this was breaking a huge barrier in cinema and also for myself to face several of my own personal challenges and to break this bubble.
Porque enquanto estava lidando também com um monte de coisa, mãe, família, parindo, cuidando, trabalhando,
There were
também
lots of
produzindo
things.
filme.
There was lots of things happening. I was working, I was a mother, I gave birth, and at the same time I was working and producing a film.
Então nós podemos.
So we can.
And of course, Yanuni had his international premiere yesterday, last evening, incredibly successful. And with that, I turn to you, Eric, as well, multi-talented man here, DJ, sound designer. You have co-founded Media Indígena, and I wondered if you could introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about the wonderful work you do, storytelling through sound, indigenous sound as well.
Okay. Thank you, Joma. And desculpa, português, sorry. Obrigado a todas as mulheres que estão nessa mesa, obrigado a todo mundo que moderou. Estou muito feliz de estar escutando vocês hoje. Eu gostaria de dizer, Nake não é, na minha meu idioma original, é como a gente se cumprimenta e dá olá a todos vocês. For English. Oh, sorry. My name is Eric Terena. I'm from Brazil, from Pantanal, is in the south of the Amazon. I'm indigenous, and in my language I say hello, and it's a Nake Noe, is a how to my community say hello, and it's a pleasure to stay here with us and with my inspirations, women from Brazil. It's also wonderful. And I'm some designer, but it's very connected with my tracks in the DJ set, and the journalist and the executive producer from Yanuni, and it's so very happy to stay here. to be continued, I would like to speak in Portuguese. And then you help me for translate. Everyone, oh my God. Bom, meu trabalho com Yanuni em
Você
específico.
vai falar em português ainda?
Vou falar português e não vai traduzir. Como eu trabalho como produtor executivo do Yanuni,
My work as executive producer of Yanuni.
eu tento conectar um pouco dessas diversas faces que eu consigo atuar.
I try to connect all these diverse faces that I act on, that I use to work.
Para a música, a gente consegue fazer uma análise do meio ambiente onde nós estamos.
For music, through music, we can make an analysis of the environment where we are.
Isso não é só uma música ocidental.
It's not only Western music.
Eu busco, junto com outros parentes indígenas, ficar horas e horas no meio da floresta gravando som.
I spend several hours in the middle of the forest recording sounds.
E esses sons são sons que a gente, no começo, era para ser usado para o filme, para o cinema.
And at the beginning, these sounds would be used for cinema.
Mas depois a gente começa a perceber que esse som começa a mudar no nosso território.
And then we start to realize that these sounds are changing in our territory.
Então, o que antes a biodiversidade cantava, o que o meio ambiente falava, as mensagens, mudou totalmente para projetos da indústria gigantesca que chegou nos nossos territórios.
So what before was nature, they were natural sounds, they were sounds that were produced by live beings, changed over time to artificial sounds related to the presence of industry in our territories.
Isso muda totalmente como a gente escuta o nosso lar, a nossa casa.
And it changes entirely the way we listen to our house.
Então, se você teve a oportunidade de escutar e assistir o filme de Yanuni, o som e a trilha sonora traz essa essência da mudança do ambiente sonoro também.
In the film Yanoni, if you had a chance to watch it and to listen to it, the soundtrack brings this essence of this change also as part of the story that is being told.
Bom, tive a oportunidade também de fazer algumas participações com inúmeros artistas internacionais, globais.
I've also had the chance to collaborate with several international and national artists.
E também cantores indígenas dos territórios.
Also indigenous singers of the territories.
E assim como o cinema, eu sempre busquei aproximar a música e as suas mensagens. Então, a música ela fala sobre o desmatamento, sobre a mineração dos nossos territórios.
In the same way as with cinema, I always tried to bring the music together with the meaning that it
E usamos as plataformas tradicionais, assim
and it
como
talks
o
about
cinema.
mining, it talks about exploitation, and we use the traditional platforms for it.
O streaming, que é para
Streaming,
a gente poder amplificar, né, esse trabalho para
so
ele
that
chegar na
can amplify this work to reach more people.
Como as músicas não são no inglês ou no português, muitas pessoas não entendem.
And since most of the songs are not either in Portuguese or in English, a lot of people don't understand what they mean.
Mas quando você escuta o som e esse som te acolhe,
When you listen to a sound and that sound comes within you,
você consegue entender a mensagem que a floresta te manda.
you understand the message that the forest sent you.
Claro, também utilizamos os nossos idiomas tradicionais para fortalecer como uma biblioteca musical digital disponível para muito tempo.
We also use, of course, our indigenous languages, our traditional languages, as to create a library of sounds that will last.
A gente sempre tinha como referência Bad Bunny, Beyoncé, Rihanna.
Our reference was always from other regions.
Mas é muito bom quando a gente vê os nossos lá também e nos fortalecendo, nos inspirando, ocupando esses espaços.
And it's wonderful to see our people, our voices, our languages represented there, occupying those spaces.
E é o que eu estou fazendo aqui, ao lado da Juma. Minha inspiração e uma pessoa do qual a gente traz nesse filme Yanuni como uma história inspiradora, utilizando a multiplataforma digital para alcançar o mundo todo.
And this is This is what I'm doing together here at Yanuni with Shuma, my inspiration, bringing all this together and using technology, using music to compose everything and to make a sound that represents our story.
E uma comunidade indígena não se faz de uma pessoa só.
And you don't make an indigenous community with only one person.
Então, assim como nós, povos indígenas, esperamos que vocês também façam parte desse chamado global para a nossa proteção territorial.
And the same way that we are doing this, I hope that you all will join us and be part of this global community to protect the territories.
Somos todos parte dessa aldeia global gigantesca. Obrigado.
We are all part of this huge global village. Thank you very much.
We are in quite a unique panel here that has these really interesting models of impact, from skills development to collective models to internationalizing Indigenous stories. So I think that can lead us quite nicely onto the question of agency per se. What does that mean within Indigenous filmmaking, within Indigenous storytelling? So Del, can I start with you here? In terms of the work that you do at People's Planet Project, co-creation is a huge part of the work. What does ethical co-creation look like in practice for you?
Yeah, well, I'm a documentary filmmaker as well, but actually all these stories that we tell start with a capacity building, so really introducing the tools of filming and mapping to these communities who are at the front line of environmental violation and environmental degradation, and explaining how these tools could help them in litigation journeys, in telling their stories from their own perspective. And most of the time when we reach out to these communities, it resonates and they really want to be part of the training as well. And that's how collaboration works or comes to life. And these workshops are actually co-created with the community. So there is no blueprint, and we always collaborate with the Indigenous Association, work together with them to co-create a teaching curriculum that would benefit them for the long haul, and from there onwards we will be in the field. We work with local filmmakers and local geospatial analysts who speak the dominant language in order to facilitate this workshop. And for instance, in the film training, we always start with storyboarding with these communities. And that's where the wonderful, beautiful stories, come to life and are brainstormed on. And that is actually the basis of the training. And at the end of a full month training, you see communities that never were, were never able to work with a video editing software or whatever, are able to create their own short 7-minute film on a topic that they have decided on, involving their elderly people, and then at the end of the month they celebrate this all together with a screening for the whole community. And you see the confidence levels actually going through the roof, which is the most happiest moments in life when we see that. And that's co-creation, that's using film as an advocacy tool. And that's how we actually take a next step to help these communities distribute their films, but also take it a next step further with professionalizing their skills and making sure that they get into the film industry with their films. Yeah.
And we have a wonderful clip from Abdel's short film, Our Grandparents Hunted Here. If we could take a look at that, please.
Somos guerreiros digitais. Usar a câmera como ferramenta de luta, como borduna e flecha.
que vem assim do nossa origem, vem da floresta aí, dela que vem esse espírito.
Na floresta que pegamos medicinas tradicionais
Já está perto da fazenda.
e a gente vai chega lá. Ali era nosso território. Ali nossos avós caçavam ali.
Abdo, what's really striking about this clip is we have wonderful filmmakers, Kamikia, we have Henan Suya, amazing indigenous filmmakers from the Xingu region. And in that you can see that they say, we are digital warriors. We use our camera as a weapon like we used to with bows and arrows. How do you interpret this metaphor when we're talking about agency here?
Yeah, well, we started the training with them in 2021, and we came back a year after. We saw that they have using these tools independently, and obviously Kamikia is a role model for them, so they have someone that they can look up to. And now he has a group of other trained community members, and they have set up their own film production company in the Amazon. So when we came back, we were very happy to see that these tools were being put in practice. We just together started to use them and the tools and document how they are actually patrolling the Amazon rainforest, and when they when they get to discover these deforested areas, that they report that to their elderly people, and also involve the environmental police, the IBAMA, to report these illegal deforestation. And yeah, they tell us, they are indeed, that they call themselves digital warriors, forest communicators. They see their role as, going to these places, getting the news and documenting what is happening, transfer that to their elders, and go to cities and advocacy panels to really talk about it and raise awareness. And yeah, they see these as new weapons to actually protect the rainforest.
Incredible. And picking up from that, we can follow through with Elena here in the Katahini Network with the model of skills development as well within the work that you do. So I'm wondering if you could tell us a little bit about the stories that have come out of the Katahini Network that would have perhaps not have a space if it wasn't for the existence of this network of Indigenous women filmmakers.
A gente acabou de participar de uma atividade na última semana em Paris.
Last week in Paris, we've just done an activity,
E era 4 filmes de cineastas indígenas brasileiras.
and that involved 4 films made by women, Brazilian women, indigenous filmmakers.
Filme era da Grace Guarani,
One film was by Graci Guarani,
e ela mostrava contexto geral, desde a invasão do Brasil até como nós estamos atualmente.
and this film shows in the general context since the invasion of Brazil until the present moment.
A gente tinha outro filme da Narimã,
Another film was by Nahiman,
que ela falava sobre uma liderança indígena do seu povo, que foi super importante para a revitalização e ensino na língua tradicional do povo dela.
and this film is about a leader of her community who was very important teaching and recovering the original language of her people.
Nós tivemos o filme da Bárbara Cariri,
There was another film by Barbara Kairi,
um documentário experimental,
an experimental documentary,
que falava sobre o afastamento e a ausência das onças no seu território.
that talks about the distance and the disappearance of the jaguars in their territory.
E filme, meu chamado Caimanepá,
And my film was Kaimanepa,
Caimanepá,
Kaimanepa,
que é o nome do meu filho,
which is the name of my son.
um menino com transtorno do espectro autista.
He is in the autism spectrum.
E eu conto essa relação do meu filho com o meu marido, que cuida e tem uma relação única entre os dois.
And I tell the story of the relationship between my son and my husband because they look after each other and they have a special relationship.
Essas são algumas histórias que não seriam contadas.
This is some of the stories that would not be told.
A mulher tem esse olhar e a gente percebeu que as diretoras todas traziam mulheres ou histórias envolvendo as suas vidas em protagonismo.
This shows how women look at things. This shows the glance of the women, and they would always bring their personal stories in some way that would not be done otherwise.
O relato do meu marido, eu trago a história do meu marido.
The story that I show of my husband,
mas ele jamais teria dado o depoimento que ele deu se fosse outro entrevistador.
but he would never have spoken, he would never have shown what he did if it was someone else asking or someone else behind the camera.
Então é esse cinema único que nós estamos produzindo.
This is the unique cinema that we are producing.
And we have a clip from the Katahidi Network from Elena, so let's have a watch.
É em sua terra que o indígena se fortalece, onde crescem suas plantas, onde moram seus encantados. Nós, indígenas do Nordeste, fomos os primeiros contactados durante a invasão europeia que começou em 1500. A maioria de nossas terras foi roubada, mas nunca foram capazes de romper nossos laços com elas. Meu povo lutou para retomar nossas terras.
Tá ótimo.
Tá bonito, né?
Tá. Meu nome é Nato Yui Poticão. Comecei a trabalhar quando eu estava com 12 anos. Na época a câmera era VHS, uma grandona, então eu tinha que ir carregando o ombro. Que eles falavam que eu sou mulher, né? Que eu não sabia filmar bem.
Rimidakai kuyana, rimidakai sarana. Rim tim tim re, rim tim tim kurim.
Nós trabalhando para o nosso novo documentário. Aqui já é a ida já.
Tchau, Até, obrigada.
Uniquely told stories through the female eye, through the film, the Indigenous women cinematic language. I wonder if you could speak to the challenges Indigenous women in particular face within filmmaking.
A gente tem todos os desafios possíveis, inclusive desde a ter a oportunidade de sair do território para se formar.
We face all the challenges that you can think of, including the difficulty of leaving the territory so we can be trained, so we can learn.
E depois a gente tem todas as dificuldades em relação à maternidade, em fazer essas formações, cursar a faculdade.
And then we have all the difficulties related to becoming mothers and raising a family and going to university and studying. conciliating everything.
E depois de formadas e realizando essas atividades, a gente tem a nossa capacidade muito questionada.
And even after being trained and developing our skills, we are still questioned.
Em uma das exibições que a gente fez em Paris,
In one of the screenings that we had in Paris,
no final, uma pessoa chegou e falou: "Uau, o trabalho de vocês é muito bom."
wow, what a great work you've done.
Mas ela estava achando estranho.
But this person was finding it weird,
Parecia que ela esperava algo amador.
as if she was expecting something amateurish.
A gente passa por diferentes dificuldades,
We face different difficulties,
mas a gente está realizando essas produções.
but we are making it.
E tudo isso pelo nosso território, pelas pessoas que nós amamos.
And this is all for our territories, the people we love.
Tudo que a gente faz é realmente muito importante da visibilidade.
Everything we do is extremely important in terms of visibility.
Se não fosse a gente falando
If it was not us saying this
e mostrando,
and showing this,
ninguém ia mostrar.
nobody would show it.
São histórias que às vezes as pessoas não têm tanto interesse em contar.
Sometimes it's stories that people don't think they are, that they don't have an interest in telling them.
Mas a gente sabe o quanto é importante falar sobre isso, o quanto afeta os nossos territórios.
But we know how important it is to tell them, to talk about these stories and how important they are for our territories.
Muitas mulheres fazem filmes com celular.
Many women make films with their mobile phones.
Eu e a Bárbara, por exemplo, que estamos aqui em Paris,
Barbara and I, for example, who are here in Paris, when we were in Paris,
a gente não realizou o nosso filme com uma grande equipe.
we didn't make our film with a big team.
Foi com o nosso celular,
It was our mobile phones.
fomos nós que editamos
We edited them,
e nós estamos aqui divulgando.
and we are here talking about it, showing it, distributing it.
And speaking of messages, as Elena was just talking about this, Juma, if I can turn to you. In Yanuni, one of the taglines that we are going to see in a minute in the clip is, "Are you listening? Are you really listening?" I'd like to ask you what messages you feel still aren't blending with the public, and how can storytelling help with that?
Não tenho nada a falar, me sinto muito representada. Primeiramente, eu gostaria de ressaltar isso.
I would like to say that I feel very represented.
O quanto nós somos questionadas todos os dias,
How much
desafiadas todos os dias.
questioned every day, we
A
are
fazer
challenged
mais
every
todos os
day.
dias.
We have to make more and more every day.
Nós não fazemos isso para mostrar,
We don't do this to show off.
nós fazemos isso por necessidade
We do it because we need to.
de estar em espaço como esse,
To be in a space like this,
ser ouvido,
to be listened
de
to,
romper com a violência,
to break the
que é
violence
para além da violência ao território,
that goes beyond the
da
violence
violência aos
against
nossos
the
corpos,
violence to our bodies,
violência doméstica,
domestic violence,
violência política.
political violence.
Há infinitas.
There are infinite numbers of types of violence.
Esse relato me faz lembrar quando eu fui cacica pela primeira vez, eu tinha 24 anos.
And the story that she just heard from Elena made me realize at the very beginning when I was a cacica for the first time, when I was a chief for the first time.
E quando chegavam as pessoas na minha aldeia para reunião,
And when people would come to the village for a meeting,
você perguntava, cadê o cacique?
they would ask, so where's the chief?
Aí eu falava, tá aqui. Não, mas cadê o cacique? A gente quer falar com o
No,
cacique.
but where is he?
E sempre eu estava aqui, o meu pai aqui, e as pessoas falavam com o meu pai.
So she
não
would be
comigo.
sitting next to, I would be sitting next to my father and people would talk to my father, but not to me.
Aquilo no início me incomodou muito.
At first I was a little bit
Eu cheguei
uncomfortable with that.
essa falta de respeito
And this lack of respect
Me fez pensar em desistir algumas das vezes porque eu
made
duvidei.
me even think
Eu
about
duvidei.
giving up because I doubted myself.
Acho que eu não sei ser cacica.
I don't think I know how to be a chief.
Eu não quero ser um problema para minha comunidade. Eu quero que as coisas dê certo.
I don't want to be a problem for my community. I want things to work out.
Então acho que eu vou entregar. Eu não quero mais.
So I'll just let it go. I don't want this anymore.
Mas aí eu saí. Quando eu comecei a ter essa ideia, eu me afastei.
And then when I started to think about that, I took a little bit of a distance.
Ao olhar aquele cenário de longe, aquele homem falando com meu pai,
And looking at this from far away and looking at those men talking to my father,
aí veio, né? As proteções, né?
then all the protections came to me.
Eu senti que eu não poderia.
I felt that I couldn't.
Porque é exatamente isso que fazem comigo e com muitas mulheres.
This is exactly what happens to me and to several women,
Duvidar da capacidade, pressionar até a gente desistir.
to question your ability, to press you until you give up.
E a partir dali, eu voltei para a reunião
And after that, I went back to the meeting
e falei, eu sou a cacica.
and said, I am the chief.
E agora eu não quero conversar com você, sai da minha aldeia.
And I don't want to talk to you anymore. Get out of my village.
E hoje nós saímos da nossa aldeia
And now we have left our
e
villages
estamos aqui falando para o mundo. Esse também é nosso lugar.
and we are here talking to the world. This is also our place.
Como mulher.
As a woman,
Como tudo que a gente faz, que não é só uma coisa, são inúmeras coisas ao mesmo tempo.
and as everything we do, because it's not only one thing, it's several things at the same time.
E hoje, com essa experiência, território, organização, e eu tenho um instituto também, sou fundadora do Instituto Juma, no governo, e agora essa experiência aqui,
So all these experiences put together, the experience in the territories, the experience of the work that I had in the government, the experiences of every day, bringing everything together,
ainda
including this experience being here.
eu ainda tenho a mesma sensação, muitas das vezes, de estar a mesma sensação que eu tive quando aquele homem chegou na minha aldeia querendo falar com meu pai e não comigo.
I sometimes still have the same feeling that I had back then in the village when that man came and he wanted to talk to my father and not to me.
Tem muitas pessoas querendo falar com homens e não com mulheres.
There are many people who want to talk to men but not to women.
E há muitas pessoas querendo fazer documentários, falar da vida dos povos indígenas.
And many people want to make documentaries to talk about, to tell about the life of indigenous peoples.
Mas há muito tempo nós estamos utilizando a ferramenta da língua, das ferramentas da tecnologia para falar por nós mesmos.
But for a long time we've been using the tools, we've been using the language to talk about our stories ourselves.
Porque por muito tempo nós nos sentimos, e infelizmente ainda é um sentimento presente,
And because for a long time we felt, and unfortunately this is a feeling that we still have,
que aos poucos nós estamos rompendo com isso.
and slowly we are breaking this,
Que era o olhar do indígena como objeto de pesquisa.
which was to look at the indigenous people as an object of research.
Então, tudo que nós estamos fazendo há muito tempo é nos adaptando.
For a long time, all we've been doing is adapting ourselves,
Nos adaptando ao mundo externo,
adapting to the external world
que causa um impacto no nosso mundo.
that brings an impact in our world.
Então, nós estamos aprendendo.
So we are learning,
Mas há inúmeras barreiras para chegar até aqui.
but there are several barriers,
Ainda mais quando se é mulher,
and especially when you are a woman,
quando se é mãe.
when you are a mother.
quando se tem filho ou filha autista.
especially if you have a son or a daughter.
E eu
who
sei
has
que é isso
autism.
porque eu também tenho.
And she knows what it feels like because it also happened to her.
Eles não são um problema.
They are not a problem.
Eles não têm um problema.
The children don't have a problem.
O mundo que está doente.
It's the world that is ill.
Eles são a mais pura beleza
They are the purest beauty
e a mais pura realidade.
and the purest reality.
O mundo deles é real.
Their world is real.
O pensamento das pessoas é uma ficção
But the thinking of other people is
sobre quem eles deveriam ser,
about who they should be,
como deveriam ser.
how they should be.
E fazem isso com nós também.
And they do the same with us.
E o que nós estamos hoje aqui é dizendo que somos indígenas, somos mulheres, somos mães e temos as mesmas capacidades.
And this is what we are doing today. We are saying that we are indigenous, we are women, we are mothers, and we have the same abilities.
É só preciso ouvir,
You only need to listen,
é só preciso respeitar.
only need to respect.
E é isso que eu sinto e eu falo naquela cena. Vocês estão me ouvindo?
And this is what I feel in that scene that was shown. Are you listening to me?
O que aparece nas telas, que todos nós indígenas aqui apresenta,
What appears on the screens that we all indigenous artists here are showing
é o mínimo do mínimo da nossa realidade.
is the very least, the smallest part of our reality.
Então que o mundo se prepare, porque nós temos muito que mostrar.
So get ready because we have a lot to show.
For all of us to take a moment to compose ourselves, and speaking of children, let's have a look at Yanuni, please.
Às vezes olho para esses espaços tão cheios de pessoas. Parece que estão adormecidas. Será que aqueles que viveram tantos séculos dentro dessas caixas de concreto, será que estão sentindo o nosso sofrimento, a nossa dor? Realmente não sei se elas estão nos ouvindo. Você está me ouvindo?
Speaking about Yanuni, I'm wondering if you could speak to the importance of internationalizing such local stories and utilizing film as a medium to do so.
Ok. Bom, a gente, quanto indígena, utilizamos vários mecanismos para tentar fazer várias denúncias. Muita gente, como disse a Juma, gritamos, mas não conseguimos ser entendidos.
As indigenous, we use several instruments, several tools to denounce the problems that we fight. And as Juma said, we are not listened to.
Quando fundamos a mídia indígena,
When we created Media Indígena,
nós já tínhamos mais conteúdos de filme, muitos programas de rádio.
we had a lot of film content, we had radio shows,
E a gente sempre se questionava por que as pessoas não estão entendendo a gente.
And we always asked ourselves, why are people not understanding us? Why can't people understand what we are saying?
Será que as pessoas estão recebendo conteúdos exóticos ou totalmente diferentes da nossa realidade?
Are they getting content that is totally exotic, totally external to our realities, so far away from our realities?
Então a mídia indígena, um grupo de jovens,
So the Mídia Indígena is a group of young people.
Começou a estudar que linguagem a gente precisa falar para que as pessoas possam nos entender.
And they started to learn what language we could speak so that people would understand us.
Então, fomos oficialmente lançados no acampamento Terra Livre em 2015, Freeland Camp.
In 2015, we were officially created in
Freeland Camp in Brazil.
Freeland Camp in Brazil.
It's a big mobilization, uma grande mobilização.
As a big mobilization.
And a partir daí a gente começou a entender que a gente precisava ocupar esses espaços.
And that was when we started to understand that we needed to occupy these spaces.
Então começamos a falar a língua do estrangeiro.
So we started to use the language of the foreigner.
Para que eles possam entender o que as atitudes deles impactam os nossos territórios.
So that they could understand how their attitudes, their actions impact our territories.
Então, trazer o cinema,
to bring cinema,
a música,
music,
e essa sabedoria girar em torno de todo mundo.
And if the knowledge that is around everybody
faz com que a gente garanta um mundo melhor para todos nós.
Makes us get to a better world for everybody.
Por muito tempo nas nossas redes sociais,
for a long time in our social media,
nós sempre se perguntamos,
we've always asked ourselves,
por que 80% da biodiversidade,
why 80% of the planet's biodiversity,
mais importante da biodiversidade que é a Amazônia,
and the more important part, which is the Amazon,
está protegida por 5% da população.
Is protected by 5% of the population.
Por muitas vezes nós fizemos isso com as nossas próprias mãos.
And for many times we've done this with our own bare hands.
Como a Helena muito bem disse, apenas tivemos um celular.
As Helena said, sometimes we would just use mobile phones.
Então, a gente começou a utilizar esses mecanismos para poder amplificar as vozes indígenas.
So we started to use different mechanisms so that we could amplify the indigenous voices.
Para exemplo, no Brasil, agora 10 anos depois,
one example is that in Brazil, now 10 years after we started,
não fazemos nada sem a nossa participação.
We don't do anything without indigenous participation.
Seja na política,
in politics,
no território,
the territory,
nas escolas,
in schools,
no cuidado com a saúde,
in healthcare, health treatment.
E a gente juntos vai continuar seguindo nessa missão.
And together we'll continue in this mission.
Yanuni é apenas uma ferramenta de amplificar as diversas vozes dos nossos territórios.
Yanuni is a tool that will amplify the diverse voices of our territory.
Yanuni não traz somente a voz da Juma e do Hugo.
Yanuni is not only Juma's voice or Hugo's voice.
Multiplica isso por mais de 1.200 etnias diferentes da América do Sul.
Multiply these for 1,200 different ethnicities just in South America.
Na nossa rede de comunicação, a cada 3 dias noticiamos a morte de um parente indígena.
And in our communication network, every 3 days we make news. We talk about the death of one of us.
Muitos assassinados por proteger o território.
Many of them killed for protecting the territory.
A gente gostaria de falar das coisas boas que a gente tem no nosso território.
We would like to talk about the good things we have in our territories.
Mas infelizmente isso é o que acontece.
But unfortunately, we have that reality.
Nossa missão agora é transformar o Yanuni em ecoar as vozes por meio do Yanuni, das nossas mensagens, das nossas lutas e também do que a gente quer para o mundo.
So our mission now is to make Yanuni amplify the voices, our fight, our message, to spread it to the beyond the frontiers.
É importante que a gente entenda o Yanuni como um ponto de virada e para a gente ter um planeta melhor.
Yanuni, it's important that Yanuni is seen as a turning point so that we get to a better planet.
E nós podemos fazer isso.
And we can do this.
Vocês podem fazer isso.
You can do this.
Acho que é isso.
That's it.
What you're talking about there, Eric, is true impact, the desire for true, tangible impact. This is going to be a question open to all of you. I'd like to know, when audiences get to your work, when they watch your work, what do you hope they walk away with? And what kind of action do you hope they take off the back of coming across your work? Abdel, would you like to initiate?
Yeah, we use film and mapping technology as advocacy tools, as tools that can be used by indigenous communities to tell their stories from their own perspective, to document their ancestral knowledge. Through language, there is so much wisdom that is, that's present to protect the forest, protect the rivers and waterways, protect the oceans, and with the elderly people passing away, the knowledge passes with them. But if they have these tools in their hands to document this, they're creating a library that can be passed on from generation to the other. And that's why we are working on a platform, it's called Eyes of Earth, where the indigenous communities that are trained are having their own portfolio, their own platform, where the films that they are creating is being published on the platform. They are able to create their own portfolio. Hopefully what we are trying to do is get as many partners as possible in order for them also to be hired, because there is such a wisdom that we can tap into, and to create this opportunities for them as well to be hired as independent professional filmmakers, and for them actually to use these tools not only to tell their stories but also to protect their forest territories. So we collaborate with environmental lawyers that know the local law and can help them to make sure that through film and mapping data they are able to create evidence or collate evidence that can hold up in court cases that fight for indigenous lands, indigenous land rights, to fend off mining companies. We have a great example, a successful example in Indonesia, where through filmmaking and storytelling, an indigenous community in Sumatra was able to fend off a big gold mine that is going to seize their territory. And it's the corridor of the Leuser ecosystem. It's where the Sumatran tiger, the orangutan, and the black rhino live in one habitat, and it's the only place in the world where these species live together. And it's a successful story, and hopefully it sets a precedent for other communities to use these powerful tools to protect their land, and so we are hopefully protecting indigenous land worldwide.
Incredible. Could we bring Abdel's slide up, please? And I'm wondering if you could do your call to action about the 25 and 25 campaign, support Indigenous evidence-based storytelling. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we are actually training the Yanomami indigenous community in November in the Brazilian Amazon, partnering with Associação Urihi, together with Junior Yanomami, and we are fundraising in order to make sure that we have the means to bring professional equipment and leave this equipment after the workshop. The community has been marginalized for years and decades, illegal mining happening in their territory, and they are now working together with the environmental police to clear this areas, which we have seen in the film as well yesterday. And for them, it's important to have these drones to keep monitoring the Amazon rainforest and make sure that whenever there are illegal invasions, that they can immediately, report this to the environmental police, and they can act swiftly on these illegal invasions. So that's what the campaign is about, and the community that we are supporting through this campaign.
Incredible, and you can scan the QR code and of course donate as you wish. Elaine, I'm going to ask you the same question. When audiences watch your work, what do you want them to take when they watch the work of the women within Katahidini Network? What would you like them to take away with? And if we can bring Elena's slide up, next one up as well.
A gente se preocupa muito como as pessoas recebem fora dos territórios as nossas produções.
We think a lot about how people will receive, how people will understand our message out of the territories.
Mas muito mais importante que isso,
but much more important than this,
é como é recebido nos territórios.
It's how this is received inside the territories.
Nós realizamos cineclubes locais.
We make local cinema clubs.
E muitas vezes as nossas cineastas não têm projetor, computador.
And sometimes our filmmakers don't have a projector, they don't have a computer.
E a gente disponibiliza esses equipamentos.
So we bring them these equipments.
Para que elas possam realizar essas atividades em seus territórios.
So that they can carry on these activities in their own territories.
Então nós estamos levando o nosso cinema para o mundo.
So we are bringing our cinema to the world.
Mas a nossa prioridade é que esse cinema também circule nos nossos territórios.
Our priority is that the cinema is also shown in our own territories.
Como as nossas lideranças, a nossa comunidade,
with our leaders, with our communities,
tem recebido o que a gente tem produzido.
And how they have received, how they have been receiving what we are producing.
Então os nossos lançamentos, a nossa divulgação, em primeiro lugar, acontece nos territórios.
So our launches, our distribution, at the first place where they happen is in our territories.
E depois nós começamos a atuar.
And then we started acting, working.
A nível nacional e internacional.
At national level and then international level.
Para levar essas produções.
To bring these productions to other people.
Mas a nossa principal missão.
But our main mission.
É atuar nos territórios.
Is to act in our territories.
E nós temos articuladoras atuando na Rede Katahidini.
And we have women who do this articulation within our network, Katahidini Network.
Que estão em diferentes biomas.
In many diverse, different biomes.
Trabalhando para poder levar essas produções.
Working to take these productions to all these people.
Que falam sobre as nossas lutas, as nossas vivências.
Talking about our fights, our experiences.
E tem trazido transformações.
And it has been generating a lot of change, a lot of transformation.
Seja individualmente ou em toda a comunidade.
Both individually and for the whole community.
Então, pensar mais do que externamente.
More than externally.
Internamente.
We like to think internally.
Em nós mesmos.
Within ourselves.
Fantastic, and you can scan the QR code and that will lead you straight onto Katahidini's network website where you can see all the amazing work that's being done for 85 indigenous women in Brazil. Juma, if we could ask you the same question, what impact would you like them to come away with? And if we can have a look at Juma's slide as well. There you go.
Eu gostaria de falar antes da Juma.
Pode falar?
Pode. Acho que é importante também, assim como os parentes que estão aqui, esse financiamento direto para as populações indígenas, para o nosso território.
It's very important for everybody who is here with us, the direct funding to our work.
Como a gente, aparentemente está falado aqui, o filme ele é uma forma para a gente poder devolver ações afirmativas para os nossos territórios.
So as I said before, this film is a way of bringing back affirmative action to our territories.
Porque a mineração acaba continuando, o desmatamento continua.
Because mining is still going on, deforestation is still happening.
E a gente precisa reparar isso.
And we need to change that.
Mas por que vocês?
But why you?
porque grande parte daquilo que sai do Brasil, da América do Sul, vem para poder alimentar a Europa.
Because a lot of what comes out of Brazil, of South America, is used to feed Europe.
Então a gente precisa devolver isso para o território, para onde veio.
So we need to take it back to the territories where it came from.
Então, né, se vocês puderem, né, fazer também esse aporte, esse apoio é muito
So,
importante.
if you can help us, if you can contribute to our work, that's very important.
Convidar a Juma também para poder fazer sua mensagem final.
And Juma,
Por favor, pode me repetir a pergunta?
Qual o impacto que você gostaria que as pessoas que assistem o Yanuni, que encontram o seu trabalho no Instituto Juma, qual o impacto que você gostaria que eles tiverem, qual a ação que você gostaria que eles tomassem depois de te encontrar?
Eu tenho refletido muito sobre isso e não é difícil de se responder.
I've been thinking about this a lot, and this is not a difficult thing to answer.
O nosso trabalho é muito claro e eu não vou referir só a Yanuni.
Our work is very clear, and I'm not only going to refer to Yanuni.
Mas sim o trabalho de todos nós, como já foi falado aqui, e tantos outros filmes que não estão aqui, que eu convido a todos vocês a assistirem também, a procurar filmes indígenas feitos não só com os povos indígenas, mas pelos próprios povos.
So, you know, not only what we've seen here, all the wonderful work that we've been talking about, but there are so many other films, there are so many other productions that are not shown, and I invite you all to look for them, to go and try to watch as many of these stories as you can.
E aí eu lembro também de uma pergunta que é: o porquê que eu aceitei a fazer parte desse projeto?
And I also remember another question, which is why did I accept to be part of this project?
Óbvio que eu não imaginava nada disso.
I didn't imagine any of this.
Mas eu só aceitei porque eu vi como uma oportunidade.
But I accepted because I saw this as an opportunity,
Uma ferramenta
a tool,
de não só romper com o silenciamento forçado no qual eu estava passando,
not only to break the forced silence that I was under.
e uma das coisas que eu falei, de que forma o filme vai impactar positivamente a minha vida e a vida dos povos indígenas?
And I thought to myself how this film can impact positively my own life and the life of everyone in the indigenous territories.
Porque se for para ser mais um filme para falar do impacto, para falar do sofrimento, para me expor ainda mais, e quando a equipe foi embora eu vou estar aqui sem poder sair de casa,
Only a film that will tell this story again and only expose my own personal life once more so that when everybody goes away, I'm here alone in my own home.
vou continuar sem poder ir à universidade.
I will still not be able to go to university.
Na época eu estava sem os meus filhos por uma questão de segurança.
At the time of the film, I was living without my kids because of a safety reason.
Então eu imaginei, eu vou estar vai me deixar numa situação pior do que eu já estou?
So I wondered, would it make my situation worse than it already is?
Então se for para realmente fortalecer a luta, servir como ferramenta para ecoar as nossas vozes.
So if this is to strengthen our fight, to be a tool, to amplify our voices,
Não somente para mostrar a destruição e os perigos,
not only to show destruction and risks and dangers,
mas para mostrar o porquê que nós lutamos e somos capazes de perder a nossa própria vida para defender.
but why, to show how we are capable of fighting and even losing our own lives to defend and protect.
Então, por isso e tantas outras razões que eu aceitei fazer parte desse projeto.
So these and many other reasons why I accepted to be part. I accepted the invitation to be part of this project.
Então eu vejo que o nosso objetivo comum não é atender a grande indústria.
Our common objective is not to meet the needs of the big industry,
mas de usar essa ferramenta da indústria para a proteção dos nossos territórios.
but to use the tools that the industry has to protect our territories.
E aí o que eu espero é mais momentos, é mais espaços como esse.
What I hope for is more moments, more spaces like this.
É mais portas abertas para nos conhecer.
More open doors so that we can know each other.
Nos conhecer por nós mesmos. Nós podermos contar e mostrar as nossas histórias.
To know each other as ourselves, to show ourselves as we are, so that we can tell our stories.
Que não são só histórias.
They are not only stories.
São resistência.
They are resistance.
São legados.
They are legacy.
E que tem a ver com a existência nossa como um todo.
And they are related to our existence of all of us as a whole.
E eu falo isso porque 80% da biodiversidade
And I say this because 80% of the biodiversity of the planet
estão no território indígena.
is in indigenous territories.
Isso não é pouca coisa.
And this is not.
Eu já comecei a pensar daí.
And that's how I started thinking.
É isso.
Of our panel, and I'm wondering, we've got room here for one question for the audience. Hopefully the ones sent by Slido have been addressed. Can I get a show of hands if anyone has a question, anyone wants to ask anything? Please do make yourself known. Reveal yourselves. There is one here on Slido, which is, from your perspectives as storytellers, what is one thing the film industry still misunderstands about Indigenous storytelling? So if we could briefly address that. What is one thing the film industry still misunderstands about Indigenous storytelling? Pela indústria. Just one?
A gente tem uma população que ainda não conhece os povos indígenas. A gente tem uma população que ainda não conhece os povos indígenas.
We have a huge population who still doesn't know indigenous people.
O principal órgão que representava os povos indígenas,
the main agency that used to represent indigenous people,
muito recentemente,
very recently,
passou a se chamar Fundação Nacional dos Povos Indígenas.
It got its name changed to National Foundation of Indigenous People.
Antes ainda era conhecida como a FUNAI do Índio.
Before that, it was still known as Indian Foundation.
Isso é um reflexo de uma sociedade que não conhece a diversidade do seu país.
And this reflects a society that doesn't really know the diversity of its own country.
Se eu não chego nos lugares de cocá,
if I don't go to a place wearing traditional indigenous accessories and apparel and clothes,
as pessoas ainda me questionam: você é realmente indígena?
People still question me: are you really indigenous?
No meu povo só os homens usam.
In my people, only men use the coca. This is a coca.
E as pessoas ainda veem a gente de uma forma muito romantizada.
But people still see us in a very romanticized way.
Estereotipada.
Stereotyped.
E é assim que a gente é mostrado.
And this is how we are shown.
E então o primeiro passo é eles nos conhecerem.
So the first steps for people to know us, what we really are, not a stereotype, not the image.
E para isso eles precisam dar espaço para que a gente possa atuar junto.
And for this, we need to have space so we can act and show.
E se eles não abrirem as portas,
and if they don't open these doors,
a gente vai chegar com o pé na porta.
We'll take our foot to the door.
We'd like to Luceia, muito obrigada a todos vocês, muito obrigado a todos vocês, to all of you for coming along and hearing from these amazing speakers. So if we can get a final round of applause for them.